The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents the biggest leap forward in the Fold series to date, offering a truly refined experience that closes the gap between foldables and traditional flagship smartphones. It's lighter and thinner than ever, weighing just 215 grams and measuring only 4.2 millimeters when unfolded, making it noticeably more comfortable to hold and carry than its predecessor, the Z Fold 6. This shift in design, though seemingly minor on paper, makes a significant real-world difference, especially for long-term users. The inner display has grown to 8 inches with a more natural aspect ratio, and the cover screen has expanded to 6.5 inches, making both screens more useful in day-to-day scenarios like reading, browsing, and multitasking. Though the Fold 7's screen brightness is technically lower than the Fold 6's by about 200 nits, in actual usage, it remains vibrant and perfectly readable in bright outdoor conditions. However, one notable change is the omission of S Pen support, which remains exclusive to the Fold 6. For users who regularly annotate documents or draw, this could be a significant drawback. Performance-wise, the Fold 7 features the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on a 3 nanometers process, offering around 30% better CPU and GPU performance over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in the Fold 6. This improvement results in snappier multitasking, smoother gaming, and better overall power efficiency. In benchmarks, the Fold 7 clearly outpaces the Fold 6 across the board, showing that this is not just a minor spec bump, but a true generational leap. Despite these upgrades, battery life remains fairly consistent between the two, with both phones housing a 4,400 mAh battery and supporting 25W charging. The Fold 7 offers slightly better endurance in gaming and calls, while the Fold 6 holds up better during web browsing, but the differences are marginal. Camera improvements are subtle, yet meaningful. The Fold 7 now uses a 200MP main sensor similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, offering better detail in low light and improved dynamic range. The ultra-wide camera gains autofocus, allowing for macro shots, and the inner under-display selfie cam has been replaced with a superior 100MP punch-hole camera that dramatically boosts selfie quality. Yet, in daylight photography, the difference between both models isn't drastic, with the Fold 6 even appearing sharper in some cases. In low light, however, the Fold 7 clearly outperforms with cleaner ultra-wide shots and better highlight control. Audio-wise, the Fold 6 actually has the edge, delivering louder, fuller sound thanks to its larger speaker chambers, making it a better pick for media consumption. Now let's talk pricing. In the US, the difference between the Fold 6 and Fold 7 is just around $100, making the newer model a no-brainer for most buyers. But in Europe and other regions, the Fold 7 can cost €500, €600 more, which is no small jump. This makes the Fold 6 a more attractive option for users who want core foldable features without spending a fortune. So, should you upgrade? If you want the thinnest and lightest foldable yet, with better displays, stronger performance, and slight camera improvements, the Z Fold 7 is worth it. But if you're happy with solid performance, crave S Pen functionality, and prefer better speakers at a lower cost, the Fold 6 still holds its ground. Both are premium devices, but your choice will ultimately depend on what features you value most and how much you're willing to spend.